everyone, it's Christina here. Welcome back to my channel. In this week's tutorial we're going to make a grapes baked cheesecake. It tastes a bit like a creme brulee but with fruit. So delicious. I hope you're gonna like it and I hope you're gonna try and make it. And if you like the video and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, don't forget to subscribe and tap that little bell that we get notifications every week when we put the videos up. I hope you're staying safe. Until next time, go break a neck. So ingredients for our baked cheesecake: for the base, 40 grams of melted salted butter and 100 grams of biscuits. Then for the cream, 360 grams of cream cheese, 50 milliliters of double cream, 2 eggs, 100 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla paste, and I'm going to use dark grapes to sprinkle on top. You're going to need a pan, preferably a loose bottom one, so that you can take it out easily. And also I've put water in a big tray, so we're going to boil this at bain-marie a bit when we bake it. So first is first, I'm going to bake the base. Crush your biscuits. Pour the butter on top. There you go. She's ready for the oven. It's going to be in the oven for about an hour at 180, and then turn off the oven and leave it in the oven with the door closed for another 45 minutes. Once it's coming out, I will show you what we got. Stay tuned. So it's ready. I took it out of the oven. It smells absolutely delicious. And now it's going to go in the fridge for at least 5 hours, preferably overnight. I'll probably leave it overnight, and I'll take some gorgeous pictures tomorrow. I am so happy with it. It smells absolutely incredible, guys. I hope you're going to try and make it, and thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.